Yeah, g'day. G'day. How are you? Yeah, good to see you there. Yeah, today we're at the train station. We're off to the monster truck show. Hey, buddy. What are you up to?
Thank you for 6.
What are we up to today, Sophus?
Stinky poos!
No, we're doing something really, really cool, aren't we? What are we doing?
Hot Wheels monster trucks.
Hot Wheels monster trucks. How excited are you?
1,000!
Oh, 1,000 times excited. Where's the train? It'll be here soon. Here comes the train, Sophus. Here comes the train.
Choo-choo!
Yay! Well, where's the train? There it is. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah! Here comes the train.
Are you on this train?
Yep, let's get a seat.
Here.
In we go. Push the button. Push the button. Yeah, and let's go. Here we go. We're on the train.
We like trains, eh?
Oh yeah, trains are awesome.
It was nice to take kids anywhere.
Yeah,
So
that's
bumpy.
right.
Like track, clacking, clackly, clackly, clack, like Thomas engines.
Yep.
I'm near the dam.
Yeah.
Why is everything everywhere here? I have to hold it on.
Okay. Oh wow, you got a ticket. What do you think?
I like it to still see the back.
Well, that's pretty awesome, eh?
So we're done?
Yeah. Here we are at the Tony station.
But we're not going there, eh?
No, we're going to Wellington. So we're going to the next one. Wellington CBD.
A, B, C, B, D. Like that.
Yep, so here we go, Sophus.
Those are the shocking vehicles. Well, I'm getting dizzy right now. Can I look out? Can I look out the window?
Yeah,
Look.
you totally can look
A,
at the window.
G, C, A, G, C, A, G, C.
They're building a whole new biking track here. Wow, it's coming along really well. It's looking really cool.
Can we go there?
Yeah, it'll be finished
Vroom, vroom, vroom,
maybe
vroom.
next year or the year after. So cool. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, look at
So what's A, G, C, A?
Yeah, that's right. That's right, buddy.
A, B, C,
Yeah.
D.
Wow. Oh, look, there's the island.
There's
A little
island.
island of rocks over there.
Yes.
Wow. So cool.
It's another island.
Yeah.
And a small island, that rock, hey.
That's right.
And a big rock for another island. And another island.
Yeah.
And another island.
That's Soam's Island.
And another island. And an island. And a more. There's another island.
Yeah. Oh, right. Yeah. There's another one. Right over there.
Let's take a picture.
Yeah.
So that's the island. A big island. Another one.
Yep. Wow.
We want to go there, eh?
Yep.
And it's off the shoe. That's so silly, eh?
Yeah.
Shoe. How do you do? Clickly clack, wobbly wobbly.
What are we doing? What are we doing, Sophus? We are waiting for the next train stop, and then we're going to get off.
So we are doing the wobbly wobbly. Wobbly.
Somebody's real excited about the monster truck show. We're almost there. Look, we're almost there. Look, we're almost there. Yeah, that's the Sky Stadium. That's where we're going. Sky Stadium. That is where the monster truck show is.
So can we go? This song?
Here we go. We are at the train station finally. We're about to get off.
Daddy, let's go. Is this it? Now we can get off.
Yay!
I did zoom, Daddy. Zoom!
And off we go. Up the ramp
Surface.
Is it you who's really excited? Whoa, it's so windy. It's
I'll
not.
give it half a surface.
Surface. Mr. Excited. Who's excited? So here we are in line to get in. It's not, yeah, this is the boring part of the holiday surface. Yeah. We made it! Let's go! Yay! Whoa! Here is the monster trucks. Here we go! Yeah! Okay, it's really loud. I can't hear anything. Okay, there is a monster truck. Oh my god, it's so big. Wow, so big. Should we go see Scalosaurus? Yeah, where's Scalosaurus? He's over there. Whoa. Whoa. There's Scalosaurus. What's that, buddy? You want a photo of Scalosaurus? Okay, there's Mega Rex. Wow. And there's Fire Alarm. Wow, there's Mega Rex. He's huge. He is huge. What are the size of those wheel circles? What do you reckon? Let's go see Fire Alarm.
Let's go. It's right over there.
Over there. Wow. Which one do you like the best?
Scalosaurus. There's a big crowd.
Oh, there's Fire Alarm. Whoa. Fire Alarm. Fire Alarm? Oh, look, there's Tiger Shark. That is Tiger Shark. Guys.
He's Bone Shaker!
Bone Shaker. It's very loud here. Very noisy. Very awesome. Yeah! Here's Bone Shaker. Bone Shaker. Bone Shaker. Wow. Wow. Right. So, yeah, here we are. What? Who is that? It's Bigfoot. Bigfoot.
Let's go on today.
Bigfoot.
Here's the driver.
Wow. Okay, so that was the monster truck pre-show. Still going on. Yeah. Sophus and me are going to go sit down and have a rest and a bit of a car time. Here we go. Hey buddy, you ready? Let's go. Here we go. Merchandise store. Yeah, what do you reckon, Sophus? Yeah. There's a lot of stuff there. Let's keep going. We gotta keep going. It's about to start, buddy. Well, I think it's gonna start soon. Here we go. Okay. Yep. Here we go. There's the monster trucks. The pre-show is now over. Yeah, looks like they're ready for track there, buddy. Yeah. Pretty cool. Get that all ready.
In Dunedin last week, you had one of the most impressive wheelies that I've ever seen. Can we expect some more of that today from you?
Well, you know, we've got to get everything.
think of the show so fast? There was so many people there. It was so packed. Hey.
So fast. I want to go on the train.
Yeah! And that's the end of that. There we go. That's the end of our trip to the Hot Wheels monster trucks.
Can I say something?
Oh, yeah. What do you want to say? What did you think of the monster truck, Sophus?
First, I like it. The first one was Skelesaurus.
Oh, yeah.
And the first one that's after that one was Fireman. And then I see a Bell Gangster.
Oh, yeah. There we go. So thank you for watching.
So, and then we get to find a way to get home.
That's right, buddy.
So I think we're going home right now.
Yeah, we're going home. Yep.
Not to McDonald's.
So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.